Your Mini offers the convenience and innovation that you value in your daily life. Combined with comfort access, the hands-free trunk opening and closing feature is designed to make loading and unloading cargo a breeze, especially when your hands are full. The hands-free trunk opening and closing only works when you have your vehicle key, ID transmitter, or Mini Digital Key Plus with you. By lining yourself up to the middle of the bumper and simply kicking your foot smoothly forward and back under the center of the rear bumper, you can access the boot without needing to fumble for keys or press any buttons. And it's not just for opening either. When you need to close the boot, use the same motion and it will close effortlessly. You can also customize settings for the tailgate by going to the Apps menu. Scroll to Doors and Windows, and then press Tailgate. From here, you can set the opening height. You'll be able to customize the hands-free trunk opening and closing options here as well. Whether you're juggling groceries, luggage, or anything in between, your Mini is here to make life a bit easier.